dude, it wheelies so much easier now. When I shifted, it lifted. I can rhyme. Probably should have been wearing gear today. Oh god, this is bumpy. Just a wee bit. Yeah. Well, you know what? Let's, oh, okay. I was just gonna say, let's turn around, go back, and then by that time, he'll be long gone. Getting squirrely. She needs a steering stabilizer now. Yeah, we try it out. Ooh, this looks like a nice wheelie spot. Where now? Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh! Jesus! Oh, it's like lift control doesn't exist anymore. Woo! Yeah, that's crazy, man. I know you get gains from exhaust, but that's like crazy gains. That's still power mode 2 with TCS mode 1, so it's no different. Oh, buddy. Oh, okay. Oh, my ball sack. Oh man. What now? Straight? Oh, okay. exhaust is gonna get me in trouble, man. It makes me want to ride like a psychopath. Yeah. Now we can go through here. Oh, that one was so sick. Alright, where now? Up or down? Okay, I'll follow you. And you get those nice little pops when you quick shift. Oh. Oh. Ah! So good. Ah. Buttholes. Okay. Show me the way, man. Show me the way. Okay. Look, Whisper Ranch. We got a Whisper. You remember when we used to do hood rat shit over there? Oh, yeah, there it goes. It's all... What the fuck is up with this camera, man? I literally never had any fucking issues with this camera. And then I get this one, and all of a sudden this one's like, nope, you replace me. Okay, there we go. Go in your own, bitch. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh. Well, hey, I'll follow you. We used to live over here, guys, many moons ago. We were just little hoodlums, still up to no good, causing trouble in our neighborhood. Got in 50 million fights. Yeah, old house, old school. We used to go to school here. Memories, man. It's crazy to think we're old now. Oh, your kids went there? Oh, wow, yeah. Yeah, my brother's kids went there. He's really an old man. Ew, a dead crow. Nasty. Poopy poopy. Yeah. It's kind of bumpy and shitty too. Yeah, no, me too. What's up, piggies? Alright, watch out, there's a lot of dirt up here. Alright, where now? Okay. I almost went for it. I forgot they don't have a stop sign. That would have sucked. Yeah, bloop. Brand new exhaust and total it. I think after this Infinity we're good. And of course now there's a car. Oh, that one was, yeah, I let off. Oh, that hurt my tasticles, man. My huevos. Ooh, that one was a little sketch. I came down sideways. Alright, you beautiful people. I think that's gonna call it. I'm a bit tuckered. This bike made me work for it. But yeah, man, we got a lot of awesome stuff coming up, especially with the exhaust. Now, I really was kind of waiting on doing some videos for the exhaust because I think it'll make all the difference with them orgasmic noise. Hey, don't spit your black shit at me, motherfucker. Nice. He's crazy, y'all. He's crazy. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I know we did. I hope you like the new exhaust. I know we do. Hey, they're squirting us. Man, I keep getting interrupted. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, that's what I forgot to tell you guys. So we wanted to do a 500 subscriber special, but before we could do it, you guys got us to 600. So thank you all so much for subscribing and watching the content and liking the videos. And we really want to know what you guys want us to do for that 600 subscriber milestone, because that's huge, man. It's huge. We're growing so fast. We appreciate everything. We enjoy this so much, and we hope you guys do too. So please let us know in the comment section down below what you guys would like to see or want for that 600 subscriber milestone. All right. Woo! Yeah, baby. Maybe you want a little more of that. Anyways, guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.